The 23rd Street Flyover project utilizes hundreds of thousands of pounds of rebar, or reinforcing steel, in the construction of footings, columns, hammerhead pier caps, and traffic railings. Multiple layers of steel bars or steel wire mesh are tied and placed inside the reinforced concrete structures, serving as a tension device to reinforce and hold concrete in place. When fluid concrete touches rebar, it forms a protective layer, preventing the rebar from excessive moisture and corroding inside the reinforced concrete. The bond between rebar and concrete is solid and effective. When concrete sets and hardens around steel rebar, reinforced concrete is formed and performs well when exposed to heat, freezing temperatures, tension, and compression. Rebar contains ridges, which further strengthen the bond, effectively transferring stresses from the concrete to the rebar and vice versa. Proper rebar placement is important to achieving the desired support of each bridge pier. Steel reinforcing bars are tied together using steel wire ties per a predetermined blueprint. A single tie is the most common type of rebar tie. Figure 8 ties hold perpendicular bars tightly together, preventing them from moving diagonally. For pier footings where heavy rebar is used, the formwork or temporary mold into which concrete is placed is first completed. When constructing hammerhead piers, the rebar cage is assembled and held in position while concrete is placed in the formwork until it completely covers the rebar. Reinforcing steel requires enough concrete cover to achieve extended longevity and protection from aggressive environmental elements which could damage the steel over time. Temperature controlling blankets cover the structure, aiding in regulating heat and moisture inside the form to properly control the concrete temperature as it hardens. The amount of rebar used in the 23rd Street Flyover project is a small percentage compared to the amount of concrete used, yet its importance to the overall structure, strength, and longevity of the permanent bridge structure is significant. Construction is scheduled for completion fall 2019. You can follow the 23rd Street Flyover's construction progress on Facebook and Instagram at My 23rd Street Flyover. Or for more information, contact the Florida Department of Transportation District 3 Public Information Office.